It's wintertime here in New York, and we just had a significant snowstorm. And now, if you slip and fall on black ice, can you be held personally responsible for some of your injuries? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. First, what's black ice? Black ice is when you have snow, and now it melts, and you've got water runoff. And now it forms a thin, transparent layer, and then it freezes later on. That creates a slick sheet of ice. And you cannot see that sheet of ice because it's so thin and transparent. So the only thing that you see is the asphalt, the pavement, and it looks black. So now, as you walk on it, guess what happens? Because you don't see it and you don't know it's there, boom! You slip, you fall, and you suffer significant injury. So now the question becomes, can you also be held partially at fault in addition to the property owner? The answer is, you might be. There are a number of factors that go into determining whether or not you might be partially responsible. And some of those factors include, had you ever been at that location before? Did you see that it was snowing? Had you been at the location before the ice had accumulated? Do you wear eyeglasses? Were you carrying something? Were you in a rush to go somewhere? Were you not paying attention to your surroundings? Were you on your phone texting and didn't see where you were going? All of those things will help us to understand whether or not you may be partially at fault. Guess what? The defense is going to do everything possible to throw off any responsibility that you're claiming is against them and say, hey, don't blame us. You're the one who caused your own accident. You were busy texting on your phone. You didn't see where you were walking. Had you bothered to look up, you would have seen that there were patches of ice right in front of you. It was clear and obvious. So don't be surprised when the defense turns around, tries to blame you for not recognizing what was there to be seen. And in some instances, you will be held to be partially at fault, which means that if your case goes to trial, a jury will then have to determine what percentage the property owner is responsible and what percentage you are responsible for causing and contributing to your own injuries. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a slip and fall case on black ice here in New York. I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your matter and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.